Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. In Nigeria today, there are some regions and some states that has been going through a lot of tensions. One of such states is Imo State in southeastern region. That state has been going through quite a lot, and if you check the background of the video, you see that it's almost a regular occurrence of everyday regular occurrence, that if you're walking, you're trekking, you must lift your hands up to be sure. There seems to be a very strong military presence in Imo State, and even the youth are beginning to wonder, are there some things going on that is beyond their eyes? Of course, every day we keep hearing information coming out from that region, but as we speak, there seems to be a consolidation between Amazonia and Biafra. Don't forget that Amazonia also seem to be having almost the same fate with Biafra in Cameroon, where they want their own nation, and they have decided to solidify, form an alliance, and that alliance is is a strong one, and they have started it in diaspora, and they are hoping to push one another so that they can achieve what they're looking for. In a moment, I'm going to allow you to watch the video of how the alliance is going at international level. I do not know how they're going to forge it here in Nigeria or in Cameroon, but they have begun the alliance already. But before we go into the news proper, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. By all means, please click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. All right. Some days ago, there was an information that went very viral that there seems to be an alliance that is going on that will make the Amazonian military personnel to find their way into the southeast to help with what is going on in southeast. I do not know how true that is, but this video that is on right now shows the moment where Amazonia showed strong solidarity with the Biafran agitators. Let's watch the video together and let's come back for more analysis, please. Watch the video to me.
And when I say that we have MOU with Amazonian people, what's the importance of Amazonian people is that the First Civil War, the food blockage was done by their side. And that's why our parents ate lizard, so fruits, because we are hungry. That's why we died of hunger. And today, we are together with Ambassador. So we are now welcoming officially all the heads of our Amazonian people. They are coming in. So please, can we stand up with their coming in?
Wow.
Our partners.
Wow. Wow. Ambazonians are here. Ambazonia is here. Ambazonia is here. Now Biafrans have understanding of Ambazonia. We will never
Rising, Ambazonia rising to fall no more. Ambazonia rising, Ambazonia rising to fall no more. Biafra is rising, Biafra is rising to fall no more. Pobia is falling no more. Pobia is falling to life.
Ambazonians are here and we are happy to meet them. We are happy they are here. It's a great alliance.
You see, those people from that side don't know what they are going to face. And for those who, like I said before, why we lost the war is 1867 is because they blocked food from coming to Biafra from the Ambazonia side. You have not seen. And when I say that we have MOU with Ambazonian people, what the importance of Ambazonian people is that the First Civil War, the food blockage was done by their side. And that's why our parents basically started no clothes because they were hungry. That's why we died of hunger. And today, we are together with Ambazonian people. So we are now welcoming officially all the heads of Ambazonian people. They are coming in. So please, can we stand up if they are coming in?
Wow.
Our partners.
Wow. Wow. Ambazonians are here. Ambazonia is here. Ambazonia is here. Now Biafrans have understanding of Ambazonia. We will never the wind is Boa. The wind Boa. Never, never, never. Till we reach
Rising, rising, Ambazonia rising to fall no more. Ambazonia rising, 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 Ambazonia rising to fall no more. Biafra is rising, 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 Biafra is rising to fall no more. Ambazonia rising to fall no more.
Ambazonians are here and we are happy to meet them. We are happy they are here. It's a great alliance.
You see, those people from that side don't know what they are going to face. And for those who, like I said before, why we lost the war in 1867 is because they blocked food from coming to Biafra